about 4 o'clock on Friday afternoon. It started snowing a little bit, around 11 or so, and then about 1:30 it started picking up, and well, it's really snowing now, which I guess it has to if we're going to get all the way to 20 plus inches over the next 24 hours or so. Let's take a look. It is snowing quite hard. Kids out playing in the snow. Might as well while they can still be seen. That little girl over there probably will be shorter than the snow piles by the time this whole thing is done. I'll try to document this one really well for you. The December storm, we just had a couple videos here and there. We're going to try to add on every couple hours for this one and see how we do. This is under my walkway. Let's see. Not so much yet, but already a couple inches. There's no way we're keeping ahead of this one, this shoveling, but we'll do what we can. It's actually a really pretty snow. It's very heavy, very wet. It's definitely a winter wonderland. Much more to come. Stick around. So here's one of the other interesting tests and measuring sticks for this weekend. We have these huge bamboo trees in our backyard, well actually our neighbor's backyard, and they go from our neighbor's backyard and they bend all the way over into ours. Because of the heavy snow, I just knocked some off of these. They bounced up a little bit. You can see they're really tall. Some of them are already touching the ground in our backyard. They're going all the way over the fence. So we'll see how much lower they get if they don't break down the fence. Really pretty if it wasn't so much of it. Ooh, snow day, snow day. Just shoveled the front steps. These are already kind of dusting. Literally just shoveled them. It's gonna be about 3 minutes to get from the top to the bottom. They're already covering over again very quickly. It's a little bit deceiving. We had snow early in the week on the grass that's still there, but everything else on the street had melted. So testing there, and of course the cars. We'll do some car tests later on. It's for a lot of snow. If anybody tells me there's a drought this summer, I'm gonna not believe them. Throw something at them. Here's our house. We could do the Joe car test. There's Joe's car now. We'll see how Joe's car looks like tomorrow. Alright, it's cold and it's snowing.